Welcome back. Math's easy, step by step. In this part 27 video, I wanted to go over an alternative way to add and subtract mixed number fractions, right? I talked about this in my part 26 video, but I didn't show you an example. And I feel like that wasn't fair. I'm a visual learner, so I wanted to visually show you what it was I was verbally talking about. And so I'm going to take the time in this part 27 video to do that. So let's take a look at that last problem. Same problem in part 26, yet it's a different way to add these mixed number values. All right, so here you can see 3 1/2 plus 2 3/4. And in that part 26 video, I just kind of talked about it. Now I want to show you. You can take the whole number 3 and you can add with the whole number 2. And I'm showing you this down here. 3 plus 2 plus, you can add 1/2 plus 3/4. The fractions, right? You can add those two up, and I'm showing you that here. 1/2 plus 3/4. Now, before you can add, of course, you can add 3 plus 2 and get 5, right? There's nothing you need to do special there. But when you have 1/2 plus 3/4, you must always have a common denominator or the same bottom number, right? And so I talked about this in my last video part 26, but I wanted to show you, right, how to do this. So again, what number does both 2 and 4 share? What number does both 2 and 4 share? And in the last video, we made the common denominator 4. So what would I need to do to 2 to turn it into a 4? I'd multiply times 2. What I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So let me show you that now. Okay, so you can see here the 3 plus the 2, add them together, you get 5. Plus, plus. Now the 1/2, I need to convert that 2 into a 4. What I do to the bottom, I got to do to the top. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. So now I have 2/4 plus 3/4. The bottom numbers are the same. 4. 2 plus 3 equals 5/4. So I have 5 plus an improper fraction, 5/4. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so I know there's a lot on the paper right now, so just follow along with me, please. So again, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. That's 2/4 plus 3/4. Showing you that here, and again, 5 plus is right here. So 2 plus 3 is 5, and then the 4 stays the same. Improper fraction, right? It's top heavy. 5/4. Or 5 divided by 4, right? 4 goes into 5 one time. 5 minus 4 is a remainder of 1 over the original denominator. So 5/4 as a mixed number becomes 1 1/4. So I'm going to take that 1 1/4 and add it to the 5. 5 plus 1 1/4. Now, here, I'm not going to do anything with the 1/4 but include it in my answer. And 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 1/4. So for folks who are pretty astute in math and they have good experience and they understand a lot of products and they understand fractions, then this makes a lot of sense. But to somebody that this is maybe new, you're new to fractions or you're new to math, this may be a little bit complicated. So I don't want to overdo it. I just want to show you that, again, you can add 3 plus 2 is 5. Those are the whole numbers, right? 5 plus. And then you can add these fractions, but you have to find a common denominator, which we did. 2/4 plus 3/4. You add the 2 plus the 3 because the denominators are the same. Again, that gives you 5/4. 5 can be divided by 4 one time with a remainder of 1 because you subtract 4 from 5 and you get a remainder of 1 over the same common denominator. You add the whole number value with the whole number value of the 1 1/4. 5 plus 1 is 6 1/4. But you can see how in part 26 our answer was 6 1/4 by converting those mixed numbers to improper fractions, and then at the end converting the improper fraction into a mixed number, which was 6 1/4. And you can see using this alternative method that we come up with the exact same answer. So that's a great way to know that, hey, we're on the right track. We came up with the same answer using both methods. So either method is totally applicable. It was worth my time to spend explaining this, not just verbally, but showing you. And if this was confusing, please stop, pause, rewind, watch this video again, part 27. Especially go back and watch part 26 if you skipped it, if you haven't seen it. You want to watch part 26, part 27 consecutively. But to be honest with you, with fractions, you want to watch part 1 all the way to part 26 and beyond in consecutive order. That's really going to open your eyes and help you to understand fractions. It'll help you understand math is easy. Take it step by step. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate your time. It's precious. If I have helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, subscribe. Thank you for joining me.